Hi everyone, let us draw the nerve diagram.
While drawing the diagram, let us study briefly about the nerves. A nerve is a bundle of fiber that receive and send the messages between the body and the brain. How the nerve sends the messages or signals to the different part of a body? The nerves are like electrical wire. It send electrical signals to the different part of a body, isn't it? And receive the messages from the different part of a body and send to the brain. While sending the messages from the nerve to the entire body, that feels a sensation in our muscles. Nerve also control the body functions like digestion of food and maintaining your heart rate. The main function of the nerve is to carry the messages from the different part of a body to the brain and from brain to the different part of a body. There are three types of nerves that is present in the human body, that is sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Let us study one by one. The sensory nerve, they carry messages from the sense organ to the brain. The nerve that is present in the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the example of the sensory nerve. They move only in one direction from the sensory organ to the brain. Motor nerves, they carry messages from the brain to the different part of a body and they also move only in one direction. Mixed nerve, the name itself called as a mixed nerve, so they move in two direction. Some nerves can work like a combination of sensory and motor nerve, and so they are called as a mixed nerve. So this was a short and brief explanation of the nerve and the types of a nerve. If you like this explanation and this diagram, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.